Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your purchase history and your payments on your Xbox Series X, and it will show you everything you've ever bought, including games, subscriptions, or any kind of DLC. So on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and go to Settings, and then go down to Account, and then go to Payment and Billing right here. Then we want to go to Order History. And then under here, you're going to be able to see everything you bought. Now it says show all on the top left. We can go by digital, physical, pre-orders, returned, refunded, or in progress. And then we can go from 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or all available. I'm going to select all available so I can see everything. And I believe this goes all the way back to 2018 for me when I first bought Minecraft on my computer. And here's the latest thing I've done. It is the Diablo 4 Standard Edition on my Xbox Series X that came with my console when I bought it. And then I have Game Pass Ultimate here. I had that for, I think, just 1 month. Yep. And then here's Halo Infinite. So if you select one of these, it will show when you bought it and how much it costed and the credit card that you used on it. And also, you can see under the description, this was a pre-order right here. And this was a gift sent. So if I go ahead and go to 2018 and select this, you can see the order number, the redeem status, the payment method was a redeem code, etc. So this will just tell you a bunch of information about stuff you bought on your Xbox. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.